channel. In my last video, I changed the primer bulb. I've been messing around a bit. It turns out that it's not getting any kind of fuel. So in this video, I'm going to be checking the carburetor and the fuel lines to make sure that it's getting proper fuel. Yep, it is not the primer bulb. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and switch those lines. Normally, that longer nipple goes to the fuel tank, and then the shorter one connects to the outlet on the carburetor. But just to be sure, I'm gonna switch those around and see if anything changes. Okay, it's still not getting fuel. I'm gonna take along this carburetor and take a closer look. I'm gonna put it back together and try and start this thing up. Okay, now that carburetor is back on again. It's cleaned, and as you can see, it's filled up now. It's working. So maybe it was just a loose screw, or maybe the carburetor actually just needed to be cleaned. Either ways, I'm gonna try and start this. It's already primed. Let's press it a couple more times. Let's put on that choke. Let's pull. It's turning over. This is pretty much a success in terms of getting it to run. I'm going to continue messing around with it some more and adjusting the carburetor.